Hey guys, I got the Onyx Studio 9 and it's from Harman Kardon and it's Bluetooth. We're gonna actually take this out of the box and see what we got. So let's do this. So you guys, I heard that this device is high quality. It actually, the quality is very good. The bass and the tweeters and everything sounds very excellent. I'm opening it up right now, and here's a quick guide that they give you with it. So just put this aside, and let's open it up. Also, this is just a cover to protect it, and there it is. It's right in there. So let's go ahead and open this up. You know, the quality is great. This is pretty strong. It's metal. I think it's aluminum. And the speakers is decent size, so it's kind of nice. So let's take this out and see how it is. So here's a speaker, and it's got the volumes. Let me zoom in. It's got the volume and play. And here's a Bluetooth. And you know what? It's kind of heavy too. I would say it weighs about like 4 pounds. And here's a connection where you could connect it. And you could actually add a mic. And it's got a USB-C. Oh, no, sorry about that. It's an auxiliary port where you could connect another device. There's not a mic. So we're gonna try this out and see how it sounds. So you guys did see how it sounds. So I'm gonna go ahead and play something, and you guys tell me like the sound quality is good. So let's see how this thing sounds. So it's got a great sound quality. I'll put a description to see where you guys can buy it for a less price. So it comes with this booklet, like I was opening it up earlier, and it tells you the instructions. And actually it gives you about like 8 hours of battery power. So you can take it anywhere. The Bluetooth connects easy. Let me show you. So here's a Bluetooth button. Here's your power button. Here's a negative button. And then your volume control buttons are over here on the other side. And it's got, and it's very, very well built and strong. And it also comes with a power wire, which is attached to it. Now this, what happens with this device, it actually figures out your area, and then it gives you good quality. So it kind of picks up your settings, how you have it at home, and it gives you the best quality to for the output. And it comes with instructions. You could also buy a second one and connect it. A lot of people were asking about that. You could connect a second one to this device, and actually you get better sound quality, surround sound. And you could also charge, you could take it with you and charge your phone. So if you have a USB charger, like it says here, a USB-C charger, you can actually connect your phone and charge it. If you go to the park, or you go to camping, stuff like that. It's got an amp you could actually download too. So the amp is right there, and you could download it. It's got it for Google Play and Apple Store, so that's good. Like I said, it's got surround sound, Bluetooth, everything. You could also pair it with your iPad, as you can see right here. And it's got multiple features on this stuff. So I tested it. I see, like I was playing early that sound, The sound sounds very clear. The bass sounds very soft and quiet. The tweeters that has got, I believe it has 2 tweeters in the top, and it sounds so clear. So I was impressed when I actually opened this and I started hearing that the quality sound that this thing has. I think you could pair up to 4 of them. Look at this, 4 of them. And let me see what else it has. Here's a charging thing that I was talking about earlier, where you could charge your phone. That's the connection in the back, and then you can connect your phone. Let's see. Yep. So it's got instructions. It's got warranty on it too. The back is easy to connect this. Here's the back. And if it's got charging out, so if you take it with you, that'll be awesome. It doesn't come with a cover, but if you want to get a cover for it, I mean, that's okay. Put it on your backpack. This will work perfect. And like I said, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a description on this where you guys can buy it, where you guys can get it at the lowest price, because there is a price that you could actually buy it from, where you could get it for below price. But I haven't heard one of these before, and it sounds very good. I mean, I had different ones before in the past, but this one overtops it because it sounds very, very good. So stay tuned, and thank you for tuning in.